Foota hype. O'Neal Thomas. Style is loyal. Oh, you never this, when you this killer, you never dead.
The artist friend them, me a beg you no. Don't pay Fambo no mind. Ignore what Fambo say. Please, me a beg you no. Fambo, yeah, I'm a virgin. Me love and respect you. Fambo, stop. Fambo, stop. Fambo, stop. My artist friend them, please don't pay Fambo no mind. Fambo, I don't know if you want dead or if you want them beat you if you get a lawsuit money or Fambo, please stop.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not forwarded from Kingmixup, it's not credible and you already know the deal, my peeps. My day yourself for telling a while going for not to go on you see me. So obviously you know yesterday was Father's Day. He said, and a few fathers in dancehall was picking up, you know, the real one them and calling out the fake ones them. As you can see, dancehall artist Beenie man daughter Ashley posted him up. You see my say, and praised him for all of the hard work he did, and she just feels grateful to be able to thank him on this day. You see my say, but Future wasn't having that. You see me, and then I call him out, you see it, and that's why Foota have beg out the wire side.
You want to big up all our real father them. I not talk about a father like Elephant man we have 30 pitney, and Ninja man we have 70 pitney. Busy Signal when being mother come student of course. Be the man. When that and another man, but the real daddy them. The real daddy them. When they pick them see they say, daddy. When I talk about some man, to the woman, now talk to her again, you know, sleep with her. And you know, my pick them, to the woman now get in front again.
And you know, I'm talking a bag of more stuff and a bag of more feeling and I call up a bag of more artist name. But you know, Foota relationship with Beenie man. You see me I say. But Future now take no chatting for nobody and nobody now gonna call him mad because the sky I am yard. You see me I say heaven where the Lord rests. You see it. But before we get on to what he has to say to Foota, you know, we showed you Beenie man daughter praising him in at the beginning, Ashley. But Desha, she is not saying that. You see me I say she has said big up the real one them. You know what I mean? Because you know the fake one them. Boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Yeah, Foota hype. O'Neal Thomas. Style is loyal. Oh, you never this, when you this killer, you never dead. You check killer and you do like dog. Remember dead when you wash killer car, when I wash killer car, I when I should jump up a killer cigarette, I get it. And you, the body who cause all the people, I go talk to me. Pat can't talk to cover. I never seen nothing like this. Foota, remember how you first look out on mobile then. Never see a man like you. You know rate you. You know rate you. You have me done. I know you're a real bad boy. I let them a real bad boy. But nobody can touch me. A JDF, and the Jamaica Constable Air Force back me, and the Commissioner of Police backs me. Shoot this. You know, one of my friends, the work. You ever know the youth? You just call me out of the blues. You would say, Fambo, when I was hungry, I saw you and I asked you for a soup, and you bought me a big soup, and you bought me a food and give me $1,000. I never said this, but you said, listen, man, if Beenie man and Tristan Palmer things to them bad, I will cancel their VISA. You said, no, don't do that. His kids gotta eat. I'll do it now, feed them. But for that, you can't talk to me. Give them a rating. Remember I said, when I go up on the boat with Junior Gang them, you forgot, like, you didn't have a green card. You forgot that you didn't have a green card, and you went on a boat. Junior Gang, like, you party. And they clap you. And when they say in Jamaica, so they send you to ice. Ice, baby. Ice, baby. Ice, your band left out of Miami. They're the same chain the way you sit down. You see, I do interview with Styles, all that stuff. O'Neal Towns. You my brother. Leave it alone, brother. Leave it alone. You are one of the most hated persons in dancehall. You are Beenie Man, one of the two of you. Oh my God. I'm just looking from Harry High birthday party, that's Jesse's brother. When Joshy hold the mic and start DJ, Fambo walks out the party. Everybody walks out the party. We spent on this not $1 million, but at your party. So you're doing good today. You have a good day, alright? You're a good person. I want you to play that dub that Joshy did for you. Because I heard you come on stage bashing you. You should have Future Fambo as a special guest. Then your party would be lit. I don't know the name of Joshy's song. Yeah, he did a song with proper one. What is it? Pain in every language. Pain is in all language, version. It's pain. Brigadier Jerry. Pain. God is the one you call pain. Bro. Jesus God. Who's hot? Guess who's hot again? It's Future Fambo and Super. Don't believe me, just watch. Ha! Get another morning straight to the bank. 90s gas for the GLE town. I'm drinking rum. I'm coming my banana China, I live. Love, love, love. Tell that boy this is the blood clot song. Boy, this make them blood clot wrong. Amazing to me. No man no bigger than God. What's Judge hit song? Wow. Also, he didn't have his song. He's just like, back to Foota. Foota, mind your business. Mind your business, honey. I love you. I love you. And you can drive through. Foota, I love you, bro. Just leave it alone. Foota, don't get out of nothing. I know you love me and you respect me. But again, you been for that. If Killer didn't kill you for all you talk, the shit that you talk about Bounty Killer, and you know how much we love Bounty Killer, leave it alone for it. Remember you were alliance like that. And I gotta tell the people, you're the one who bust my water. I was there. Yeah, Serum, I see you, Serum, since like my water's cousin. I was thinking I'll talk again, Fambo. Fambo, what go on? Don't know, God, you gonna be run the place, you know. Nobody can't check them out. One gully guy, man. See, within that $8,000 that I gave you, 8,000 Canadian I gave you, to find somebody I got rid of me. I'm still waiting on the money. And you come to Jamaica to do a show with that big superstar artist, the one that was in incarceration for 30 years. And he came back, and he's hotter than you. That's crazy. And you're on the street, and he came back, he's hotter than you. And we can come back to Jamaica. Give me back the 8,000 Canadians, and we're good. 8,000 Canadians I give you. You didn't do no song, no intro, nothing. Can you please give us back the money? Oh yeah, I'm ready to die. I'm so ready to die. You wanna put a hit on my head? Bridget, I'm living in God's glory. I'm living in God's glory. How are you gonna go up against me if God is with me? It's not possible. I give you $8,000 at your $145 million house. Although you don't give me money and you don't do something, can I get back the money, please? Julian, can you call him? Bring hello. Is David there? Yes. Fambo want about the money? Okay, I give you a card, you put the money in it. It's easy. It's free money. You give it back to me, I give it to you. It's the law. Corey, could you please comment under this? And said yes. I don't want to call it a weakness now. Just give me my $8,000. There we go. That's it. Goodbye. Goodbye. Certified. Certified. La da dee da da da, la da dee da da. And now, the main event. Feature Fambo. Good morning, America. Good morning, Jamaica. Thank you. God bless. Oh my God, look at my nails. This is all clean. Wow, jeez. Look at me, boy. Look at it. And it's clean.
Problems, but I think he may be right. This must anyway, people, when I go along with this no longer, so do the right thing and subscribe to the King and check out these next suggested videos and it's upon the screen. In the meantime, seeing bless.